Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you guys some quick sample packs that I'm doing for my Color Street business. So this right here is what I am handing out to people, and pretty much everything in this little kit I got with my starter kit except for a few things. The business card I got from Vistaprint. This bag I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below for that. And then the envelopes, I literally just went to Walmart and picked up a standard envelope size. So, first thing I do is obviously get the bag. Then you're going to want to grab a sample. You're going to put that in there. You have your nail prep pads. Again, you got 100 of these in your starter kit. You can put the remover pads in if you want to. I have one that I'm going to ship without it, and then one I'm going to ship with it. I'll let you know what the stamps ratio is and everything like that. I'll put a link down below with that. I'm also going to put a orange stick, and if you want, you can be extra like me and try and match the samples with the nail files. You get a ton of different colors with your nail files. You get 60 of these mini nail files. You put it all in, you grab your business card as well, and then I like to put a little note in each sample I send. So this is just a kind of a generic, hi, so-and-so, here are your 2Z samples. Please text or call if you have any questions, and don't forget to share your nails on social media. My name, I'd put my number, and then of course your website. So that's it, a quick little sample pack to get you going. And if you want, you can hand these out cold with no information, or with each sample you can get their email address, their phone number, social media account, just something so you can follow up with them. So that's just a little, again, quick sample. So then after you've completed your sample, you can make it pretty and stick it all in there. Pop it in an envelope, and again, folds down when you tear it open. It would be flat like that. Put it in there, seal it up, and you're good to go. And I'm pretty sure one stamp will do it. But again, I'll let you guys know that for sure. But yeah, that's my little sample pack. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you would like a sample, click the link down below. I have a Google forum that you can request samples with, and you'll be getting one of these in the mail. Alright, bye-bye.